Good afternoon, everyone. Now, in network programming, we are discussing experiment number three, the program objective, the program and the client. The server will listen for an accept, a single TCP connection based on the TCP connection. It reads all the data and confirm the connection will be built, and print the screen and we want to close the connection. So, we are just opening the client side and the server side. We are just using text editor and then text editor, and then we'll create the file name tclient.c to specify in this. And then again, as we see, we are just using tserver.c. We are just creating two files. And then starting the program, now going to software, we are using performance.c. We are using in terms of the platform, we are using Ubuntu software. So first of all, we are just using the header file. There are different header files on the screen. I'm just showing network DB, we're using network and the system socket dot edge for using creation of the socket. That's why we're using connection with client and source. Defining the max values as 80 and defining the port number is 8080. And then we are creating a socket address. We're using SS direct and socket address. We're just creating a two function. First, creating a function for socket. We are just passing on it. Now, first we'll discuss how to create this. We are using a character buff. We are using a character array. We are defining the max. Max is having a value of 80 from having on this. And then we are picking a variable from the integer. Now, how you use in the program, we just describe after this. We are using a for loop. The for loop implies the server will check each other, sending the characters from one end to the other end. So we are using a defining loop for this. And then v0 function is using the argument in terms of bus as size of bus. In bus, we are already having a like value is the max having a value of 80. So cd the v0 function is the data in the n bytes of the memory starting at the location to by as we are already showing on this in the map. Printf enter the string the user wants to re-enter, and then n we are already having integer type variables. We are using initialize the values and this is 0, and then we are using the buff. Now in the buff, the value should be entering the get character one by one. The character should be getted until they are not reaching on a slashes. And then write the code when we are typing the particular messages and defining the vocabulary, buff, and the size of the buff. We mentioned the three arguments vocabulary for the particular function that we are creating for the sock function. We are just using vocabulary on its the buff, size of the buff. We are having a message from this and the size of the buff, how this size of this. V0 will calculate the whole size in terms of V0 and the buff and the size of buff will be on this. And then read, starting from reading the messages from client side, just using sock every buff and a size of buff, this is the size of it should be specifying. And printf, this is from the server side, the message will come, and then the message, the time message will be showing on this side because we are just specifying this and that. So from server side, the message will be tapping on this will be showing, printing on this, printing on the client side. If we are using if string compare, it should be compared the buffer as values. If you have an exit, then number is to the size is 4, then equals to 0, then client wants to be exit from the cell. The connection will be yes, the client will want to be exit from this. And then we forcefully out of this particular function, then it's just by variable. Now, the main function, if you run on this drive functions, we are just creating sock FD and connection. Struct sock FD, we are just creating the structure of the socket. That's why we are in the socket underscore in and assigning the server address and the client. This is type of struct type. It is struct using the keyword which is already defined on it, struct socket on your top one. And after this, we are using socket creation and verification. We are just using sock FD and then passing the values finite, scheme, which version you are using, which stream you are using, and then protocol. Then if you want to aggregate the connection, we are using sock FD, plus equals to minus 1, substitution will be a fail, and then we are forced me out from the program to execute. If not equals to minus 1, then the positive integer value will get and then there should be a case in the socket will be successfully added and B0 will be added the number of the server address. And then assigning the IP and the port number, which are using to transmit data. The client and server communicate. We are sharing the data in terms of the IP address and the port number. So that's why we are using the version of the family, and this we are converted the local machine will be address we are using IP address is just like 127.0.0.1. And then port number, we have the port number is 8080. We already assigned on top of it 8080. It should be converted and then should be assigned to the server address of the port number. That's all here. Communicate with the client and the server to establish a connection. Connect the client socket to the server address. We are just defining a socket connection. Connect and the socket be SA percent be converted by the server address and the size of the server address is not equal to zero, then end of fail else we are just forcefully exit zero, it means forcefully out from this, and then else we are using the syntax connected to the server function for the set function of socket and close the connection is with this socket close the connection. Now move on the server side. Again we are defining the header files. We're already having this same possible slide. We are defining that ID unit, internet particular IPs. We are using bootnet and inet. Then we are using some socket type, which type of socket we are defining. Max, again the value of this, and port number 080, and then define and socket this SA in the struct socket. We are defining. And then function design for the chat between a client and a server. We are just creating a function again, and already in a client side also. Again, we are just passing create a name of the function void and function, and then passing the argument character buff. We are using the maximum, the value of 80, which is passing character array. Name is buff. Teaser n, which is already assigned the value using. We are just declaring all this, and then again using the function. Then infinite loop for the chat, we are using a for loop. Already discussed, we are already describing our client side code. Again, Visio, the buff and the maximum value. It should be added. Then read the message from client and copy it in buffer. We are just using read and read of IP and then buff. We are having an array, character array side, which is having a value of the size of the buff. We have specified how much size of the buff, how many characters should be entered in it. And print the buffer which contains the client on the by using like this method to the client side. Having a messages hello, hi, ID. Every connection should be waiting on this, they should be specified. And then v0 buff and a maximum values n is equals to 0 and then copy the server message. And then we are using n and we are assigning each character one by one. It should be repeated when each character gets character by using a character function using equal not equals to selection will appear, then we get the character one. And then send the buffer to the client by using write, vocabulary, and the buff and the size of buff will be calculated. If message is exit, then server exit and the chat will be added by using again the comparison between the string compare set and the zero, the same message will be the base. The driver side function when we are using main function, when we are just define some variables just like we are using a main and then into stock MD, connection MD, and the like of that. We are just defining three types. Whenever we are having stock MD, connection MD, and that. Struct. Again, it is defined already at of the other file, struct, and stock address on it. We are just defining on this. So in this function, we are just taking the stock address and the server address and the passing on the CL. Creation and verification again, we are using check the connection, we are just having the versions, we are trying to select that socket stream and the values passing the protocol values. So checking the socket MD is equals to -1, then create its field. As the positive these values, they should be coming in the size of the socket will be created. That's fine. And the server is having address of the value, the size of the server address. And then using again, send the IP and the port number added to this. We are just doing the same operation. We are just performing client side. We are just using the FINet, which is using, and then particular information addresses we are just converted on this and then added to this. And which port number you are specifying or using, you are just defining for this, like this, port, assign port number, this. Now, we are binding the newly created socket in an IP verification. If you want to bind with this from the client or server to the client, we are using the bind function. It is providing bind and sock empty, and then it should be converted by ASCII by using server. If the sign of server is not the socket is bind field, exit 0 in connection. firstly we are out of this program, else we are moving on the socket successfully. Now listen, server is ready in the listen mode and verify on this. We are using the listen function and then providing socket please argument as a passes argument if I is not equals to 0, then it will be created enter the listen function is failed, else the server is listening and the LAN will be created CLI to client. We are ready into the CLI and then we'll be added to the LAN. So accept the data from the client and verify the connection app. We are just including the connection ID which has noted this value that accepted the connection in terms of the SOC MD, SA and CLI, which is having the values, connection values, and then length of the process. And then we're just checking the connection. We have connection MD is equal to 0, there's a 0, then connection is never accept, connection will fail, or else we are just using the connection located. As God, we just having accepted connection, the function for checking is in the client and the server will be added. Now, after this, we are just opening the terminal. Right click on this desktop, we will open terminal and the opening the client side on the server side. Now, how can we creating on this? For the server side, we just starting from the CT and desktop. After this, we are compiling the program by using GCC and then server.c. We are just using the file name. And then config o, which is using, and then you should be giving the specification that giving after compilation, you should be created like dot slash server file routine, and then we are specifying the messages on the client side. We are just showing GCC space client dot c and then hyphen over the client, then compile a program like client dot c treated as a client, and then compile a program, and then after this we are executing like tclient.c just using as a treated as a client. So that's why we are executing the dot slash the client and then successfully created and connected to the servers. So we have this second terminal which are showing all this. We are doing the main which is created in a connection with the created successfully. The client side and the server side. The server side will accept the listen, created the connection, bind link and listening. The server will accept the connections from the client, establish the connection, and then message will be pending from one into the another. So that's all for this program. Thank you. Thank you everyone.